Mullend Teeth Repair Gel is marketed as a solution that supposedly repairs damaged teeth, restores enamel, reduces sensitivity, and reverses cavities without expensive dental work. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it another oral care product making unrealistic promises? Now, to be fair, remineralizing dental products are real. Certain ingredients like fluoride, hydroxyapatite, and calcium-based compounds can help strengthen enamel surfaces and reduce sensitivity in early-stage tooth damage. What it does well may help with mild tooth sensitivity. If the gel contains standard remineralizing ingredients, it can help reduce sensitivity caused by weakened enamel or exposed dentin, can support enamel protection. Some dental gels help strengthen the outer tooth surface by supplying minerals that reinforce enamel over time. Where it falls short, it cannot truly regrow severely damaged teeth. This is the biggest issue. No over-the-counter gel can fully regenerate major enamel loss, cracked teeth, deep cavities, or structural tooth damage. The term repair is heavily exaggerated. Most products like this can only support remineralization of very early enamel weakening, not rebuild teeth the way the marketing often implies. Will not replace fillings or dental treatment. Once a cavity becomes advanced or physically damaged, professional dental care is usually required. So, does Mullend Teeth Repair Gel actually work? Short answer, possibly for mild enamel support and sensitivity, but not for true tooth repair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.